Baba walks into the living room, his weary face telling of a long, arduous day. Dust clings to his shoes, each step a testament to the miles he has traveled. A heavy sigh escapes his lips, laden with the weight of his fatigue. He lowers himself onto the couch, his movements slow and deliberate. The worn cushions of the couch offer a brief respite from his exhaustion. In the quiet of the evening, Baba settles into the couch, fatigue etched into every line of his face. In the quiet of the living room, Mirha kneels, her small hands reaching for Baba's shoes. She delicately lifts the shoes, a soft determination etched on her face. With gentle care, Mirha begins to dust off Baba's shoes, each stroke filled with love. Ami watches from the sofa, her smile a silent testament to Mirha's tender act. The soft brushing of cloth against leather fills the air, a symphony of unspoken affection. In the quiet living room, Baba watches Mirha, his eyes brimming with unspeakable emotion as she quietly cleans his shoes. A tender declaration escapes Baba's lips. Meri bedi to farishta hai. Mirha looks up, a soft smile gracing her lips as she continues her task. Baba's voice fills the room with joy as he announces, Aish sab kiye liya ice cream kyunki Meri. Mira sab se khaz hai. The room fills with warmth as Mirha's simple act transforms into a moment of shared happiness and affection.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.